Hi, I just received my new fine cut-off circular saw blade, so I'm gonna take this opportunity to try to explain, as some of you have requested, the pros and cons of the three blades I got now. This is the one I'm using right now. It's the bigger diameter I can mount in my circular saw, and as you can see, being that big and thin, it can tilt a bit. Other common problem people usually have with inverted circular saws is keeping the squareness of the blade with the table, especially at low cutting heights, because the clamping system becomes more unstable the lower the blade is, and it produces tilt due to the weight of the motor. This problem will increase as the quality of the machine decreases. With mine, this issue is almost imperceptible. I'm going to make a cross cut so you can see the tilt I was talking about. It is not easy to see through the camera, but it actually exists. And I'm gonna try the new one now. Of course, never forget to unplug the electrical cord from the wall outlet first. As you can see, the quick access cover makes the replacement of the blade a lot easier. The start is much smoother because of its lower weight and diameter, and there is no tilt at all. Besides, being smaller, I can keep the circular saw in higher positions, avoiding the squareness problems I was saying before. As this kind of circular saws do not have speed control, it is important to choose the right blade for every type of work. This is the new blade. It has a diameter of 190 mm and 24 teeth. I'll use it mainly for wood and wood-based materials. I get a maximum cutting height of 52 mm. It is just 1.8 mm thin, so it wastes little material, and it is perfect for rip and cross cuts at high speeds. This one is like the other, but with a bigger diameter of 235 mm with 36 teeth. I get a max height of 70 mm, so I'll use this one with higher pieces of wood and wood-based materials. The last one has a diameter of 208 mm, a thickness of 2.65 mm and 64 teeth. I'm gonna use it for laminated boards and melamines, because as you may know, with these delicate materials you need to use blades with a higher number of teeth.